This is the dashboard screen. This is the report screen. Here you can view and export all the reports. This is the tickets screen. From here all the tickets can be seen and new tickets can be created. In this screen all the users of the company are listed. To become a user the person need to be a member of the team, where Zervise app has been installed and the person need to open the Zervise app and log into the subdomain. This is the knowledge base screen. This screen has all the information an agent needs to operate Zervise app properly.